I'm going to be talking about how to make cash from home and how to make money online in a ridiculously simple way. Now, to make money on YouTube, what you need a product or a service that you can sell and make money from, because I'm going to be giving you 100% free of charge any business in my portfolio of your choice to get you onto this YouTube platform making money by the end of the training today. So let's very quickly take a look across on eBay and I'll show you who I am. That's who I am, alphacentauri.company. We've got the date and time in the bottom right hand corner. You can see my last order just came in literally a few hours ago from a guy here called Paolo Lamiero. Sorry, I'm looking at my screen here, you can probably see it to the side, who bought a website fully stocked with Mont Blanc products. Now, let's have a look at moving on to another screen in eBay. You'll see that I currently have in my active listings 1,033 active listings that are all priced at £49.95 per month. Now, that's over 1,000 different. Let me scroll through them for you, because I'm going to be sending you a link as soon as you enroll for the training and we start this training. You're going to be able to choose any one of these 1,033 fully stocked websites, fully stocked with products for you to make money from starting tomorrow. And instead of paying £49.95 a month or £600 a year or dollars, whatever, you're going to be paying nothing for it, because what you are about to witness on this training course is absolutely going to change your life if you've got a product to sell. I know most people don't have products, and I've been doing this for many years, and I'm going to get you on board as a thank you just for attending this training session. Now, let me show you an example of the quality of the sites. We've got over 1,000 of them for you to choose from. You're going to get one absolutely 100% free, fully stocked with products. That's his Disney site. Here's a site that sells wine, red wine, white wine, sparkling wine. Here's a Mont Blanc site that the chap just bought, and there's all of the products that he's now selling. Now, if you've got a product that's got profit margins built in, which all of these products do, you can come onto YouTube and you can make an absolute killing. This is an opportunity of a lifetime, which you will never see again, because I've been doing online marketing since 2005, when I spent £2 million on Google AdWords. Now, those days are long gone. Let me take you back to this, the video ad that you clicked. Sorry, there you go. I have had 11,940 views. If we look at the last 60 minutes, this is updating live, it's been viewed 94 times, and probably 7 or 8 people have clicked that ad just like you. And today on this training session is the first time ever I am giving away one of my businesses as a thank you, just for you attending the training session that's just about to start. Now, let me tell you something that's absolutely going to blow your mind. The 11,900 views that you actually see on the ad that you've just clicked on has cost me personally nothing. I have paid not 1 cent or dime or penny for any of these video clicks. Now, just before you head off to the training, go and do this Google search, definition of the word grant, and you'll see the word grant basically means a sum of money given for a particular purpose. A grant is not a loan that you need to pay back. The reason why this is so crucially important and life-changing to you guys is because of this here. What you're looking at here is Google are actually going to give you £75 or $75 absolutely free advertising spend to take the products that I'm going to give you for absolutely nothing, just for attending the training session. Yeah, Google are actually going to give you £75 worth or $75 worth of 100% free YouTube advertising. So get yourself on the training. As soon as you click yes, I'm attending, I'm going to send you a link to the portfolio. You choose the business that you want from me. No strings attached. It's a thank you for attending the course. I will also buy the domain name for you, and I will set everything up so by the end of the training session you are ready to join us making money on YouTube. So thank you for listening for those 2 or 3 minutes. The training is ready, I'm ready, and let's get you making money today.